job, you're
Thanks.
killing it.
Alright guys, welcome back to another video on the Idaho Panhandlers. My name is Danny and today we are on the second part of our front dinette conversion, where on the last video we completely cut out our little slot to make our table. We made our table and now it's time to mount our table. So we'll be doing this with a Lagun style swivel mount, and if you guys have seen these kind of out and about on forums, on YouTube, you'll know it's a pretty unique way to mount these tables and just tables in RVs in general. And this is actually the Amazon version of the Lagun style mount. If you've done any research at all, you'll know the actual name brand Lagun mount costs a little over 200 bucks, and this is the Amazon version that costs just a little over 100 bucks. So it's gotten pretty good reviews, and we're going to mount it up and see how it does. All right. Oops. Meh. So in this box for our Lagun style swivel mount, the Amazon version, we've got just a few different pieces, 4 different packages of hardware, and then just the actual hardware bag of screws and handles and what have you. Insert the connector into the bottom plate hole. So I think the square part of this little doodad needs to fit snugly into this groove. It says to use a tool, but strong thumbs. Nope. So I think it slides in. Do it again. I think it slides in here like so. So next, we'll grab that piece. Looks like it just slides. This groove goes into this groove. This needs to come off, and we'll put the main piece to the side. Now we're kind of left with this piece and the sliding piece that we just took off. So the instructions are a little unclear, but I believe what needs to happen is this needs to go on the back of this wall, somewhere kind of in here, and then the bolt will go through the slide piece and then through the wall and into this blue piece, and then we'll tighten it up and the swivel mount should be able to fit and sit right on it. If I was a betting man, 5 inches out would be a good mark. So let's see. I don't know if that trim will allow that mount to slide on. Okay. but honestly, it's probably 5/16. Let's try 5/16. Okay. So now we just have 4 nuts, 4 washers to put on the end of all 4 screws. Okay, so what I'm using here is a 13 millimeter long socket. Hoping I have enough room in here to... Looking good, okay. Okay, pretty good. It is so hard not being able to see anything. You know? Down right there. All right, let's see how we did. Like a glove. We have a table. This is perfect. So one thing I really like about the Lagun style swivel mounts is that it allows you more room to get into spaces if room is tight, which it definitely is going to be, which is why I cut this little 45-degree angle off of the table. So once the kitchen or kitchenette is back in, then we can slide right in and it should be perfect. Dude, Dan, what do you think of the Lagun style mount? Brother, there is not a lot else that I can say except this thing is sweet. You know, you had the option of buying the full actual name brand Lagun mount, but instead you went with the Amazon option, and you know, only time will tell to see if it really holds up. But for, you know, $100 cheaper than the original, I don't think you did too bad there, Danny boy. Not too bad at all. It spins, it rotates, it's adjustable. You can go up and down and all around, I think, somehow. Wow. For completely winging this build, you did a pretty good job. You know, since it's over on your side, can you show us how to vertically adjust it and maybe take it down? Heck yeah, I can show you that. So you're definitely going to want to take it off of the mount. You want to take the table off of its arm, and we'll set that by right there. And then to actually adjust it vertically, you can adjust it by loosening this handle right over here. There we are. So once this handle's loose, you can go up, down, all around, or you can just take it completely off, kind of like so. Now, they come in two pieces, so when we're done using it, after we've made dinner and whatnot, or we want to go back to the couch, we can put it away just like so. And my friend, you have a table. Just like that. Okay, I wanted to show you guys really quick how these handle mechanisms worked, if it wasn't very clear on the previous clips. So obviously, there's this wall. It's impossible to turn it in a circle 360 degrees. So how they work, or you can kind of pull this out, and then you can turn kind of as you go, if that makes sense. So you're able to pull it out, rotate it back to a starting position, and then you can continue to tighten it or loosen it. So now we're tight. Kind of hard to show, kind of hard to explain, but it does work. And it seems pretty tight and sturdy in place. Same thing for loosening. We'll loosen, bring it back to start, let it pop down into place, loosen, bring it back to start, loosen in place. So do that a couple times, and then the whole mount becomes loose and you can adjust it up and down like so. Alright, so that's the full installation of the Lagun style mount that we bought off Amazon. Again, it costs about $116, whereas the actual Lagun system, I believe, is over $200. So definitely save some money, and we'll see in the long run how it actually functions. But so far, I'm actually really impressed. The install was overall really pretty simple. The hardest part I struggled with was the mounting plates down below, but it was just kind of my setup where I had to actually mount it, and the space that I had allowed for it. That kind of made it a little bit difficult, but yeah, we got it, and I'm really pumped about it. It's easy to take down, easy to put up, and I think we'll be pretty happy when the day comes to finally use our table of the front dinette. So still got a lot of work to do. If you guys enjoyed this video, I'll be sure to leave a link down in the description of this Lagun style mount that we purchased, so you can check it out yourselves. Be sure to leave a big thumbs up on our video, comment down below, and subscribe to the channel, and we will see you on the next video of our front dinette conversion. Thanks for watching.
Whoa!
Hi. Want to come in?
Yeah. Cool. Can I sit?
Yeah, you can sit.
Should I touch it, or is it like dangerous?
It's kind of dangerous, but right?
Perfect.
You want to crack a couple cold
Sipping
ones?
Coffee.
A couple
I have
beers.
full range of motion.
You can play cribbage.
Yeah.
You can play solitaire while I'm out.
Good height.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But I mean, you can adjust it with that handle, and so it can go up and down a little bit. But
Very
yeah,
good.
I actually didn't need help with anything. I just wanted to come out and see it.
Okay, I did turn everything off.
Did you?
In the middle of making
Oh,
dinner.
sorry.
It looks very good though.
Thanks, man. So still got some work to do, but
Good job. You're like
thanks.
killing it.
So we're getting there. Think it'll be big enough to eat
yeah.
dinner and stuff?
Totally.
I think it's just me just fine.
Yeah. And it's perfect.
Yeah. Cool. Glad you like it.
Yeah.